So today, most of you have probably heard about Industry 4.0, and what that really is adding digital solutions to the factory. So when we look at the implication of adding digital solutions to the factory, there's a change in how cybersecurity has to be approached in order to address the different risks that are introduced. And so a traditional approach has relied on isolation and control of information and detecting anomalies over a network. As you continue to integrate new solutions into the factory and extend network connectivity down to the device level, those devices need to be able to transition into that role and provide embedded security solutions that will ensure the integrity and trust of that data. And as you establish trust in the data, the closer you do it to the edge where that data is born, where the real world meets the digital world, the more confidence you can have in the decisions that you're making from that. So what we have here is a TSN network. We've got two TSN gigabit switches that's running priority traffic with this light stack. And the TSN is ensuring the synchronization of those light stacks. The node on the right is enabled with security. The node on the left has no security. It's a standard node. And essentially what you will see, or the perception in the market today, is that security as an overhead that just cannot be acceptable in a time-sensitive network. And what you're seeing here is security applying with full encryption of the data and not affecting the end application. The reality is all you need is without security, all you need is a laptop, plug it into an open port or an open Wi-Fi connection, and you can quickly identify and discover devices on that network and send malicious attacks. So the security is essential to enabling availability of that data.